Hello my dear students, welcome in maths class. In this class I am going to discuss exercise 15.1 chapter probability question number 8, 11, 12 and 13. So let's start with the question number 8. So question is here, refer to question number 2 of exercise 14.2. What is the empirical probability that an engineer lives less than 7 km from her place of work, more than or equal to 7 km from her place of work, within half kilometer from her place of work? So question number 2 of exercise 14.2 is here. The distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to the place of work found as follow. So these are the distances given to you. But first part of the question is, what is the empirical probability that engineer lives less than 7 km from her place of work? So the total engineers are 40 here, and these are the distances of their residence to the place of work. We have to see the less than 7. So less than 7 values I have already circled here. If you will count, it is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 engineers are there. They have their residence to the place of work is less than 7 km. So in answer, first part is probability less than 7 km from her place of work is favorable outcome upon total possible outcomes. So favorables are 9 and total possible outcomes are 40 here. Second part is probability of more than or equal to 7 km from her place of work. So out of 40, 9 engineers distance of residence to the place of work is less than 7. The remaining one will be the 7 or more than 7 km. So 40 minus 9, it is 31 upon 40. So favorable outcomes are 31 and total possible outcomes are 40. Third part is probability within half kilometer from her place of work. There is no one whose residence to the place of work, distance from the residence to the place of work is within half kilometer. So this answer is 0 upon 40, that is 0 here. Now the next question number 11 is 11 bags of wheat flour, each marked 5 kg, actually obtained the following weights in flour in kilograms. There are total 11 bags and it is written 5 kg actually on that, but actually the weight of the flour is like given you here 4.97, 5.05 like this. Find the probability that any of these bags chosen at random contains more than 5 kg of flour. So we have to find the probability of bags which have more than 5 kg. So I have already underlined or circled 5.05, 5.08, 03, 06, 08, 04. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 bags out of 11. They have more than 5 kilogram weight. So probability of weight more than 5 kilogram is favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes, that is 7 upon 11. Now come to the question number 12 and 13. Question number 12 is in question number 5 of exercise 14.2, you were asked to prepare the frequency distribution table regarding the concentration of the sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million of a certain city of the 30 days. We have to prepare first frequency distribution table, and using this table we have to find the probability of concentration of sulfur dioxide in the interval 0.22 to 0.616 on any of these days. So first we'll see what is the question number 5 here of exercise 14.2. A study was conducted to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million. The data obtained for 30 days is as follows. So this is the concentration of the sulfur dioxide in parts per million. And first we have to find the frequency distribution using these telemarks table 0.00 to 0.04, then 0.04 to 0.48. So frequency distribution table I have already prepared. You see like this way, and you have done in previous class also 0.00 to 0.04, 0.04 to 0.4. Now just 0.04 will not come in the first interval. This will go in the second interval. In the same way 0.08 will not come in the second interval. It will go to the third interval. In the second interval 0.04 to 0.07 values will come. So in this way we'll continue, and this is the frequency distribution table in front of you. Now you see the percentage of, probability of concentration of sulfur dioxide in the class interval 0.12 to 0.16 is 2 here, and total possible outcomes are 30 because the total rays are 30 here. So probability is favorable outcome upon total possible outcomes, that is 2 upon 30. So after solving it is coming 1 upon 15. Now in the last question of this exercise, what is given to us in exercise, in question number 1, exercise 14.2, you were asked to prepare the frequency distribution table regarding the blood groups of 30 students. So total number of students are 30 here, it means the total possible outcomes are 30. So first we have to prepare the frequency distribution table here, and after making a frequency distribution, what is saying, use this table to determine the probability that a student of this class selected at random has blood group AB. We have to find the probability of the number of students they have the blood group AB. So let's see the question number 1 of exercise 14.2. So this is the question number 1 here. The blood group of 30 students of a class 8 are recorded as follows. This is the blood group given to you. So first we have to prepare the frequency distribution table here. So frequency distribution table is here, blood groups A, then B, then O and AB. 4 blood groups are there, and frequency distribution I have already prepared here. You can do it at home because you have done in the lower classes also, 6, 7, 8. A is coming 9 times, B is coming 6 times, O is coming 12 times, and AB is coming 3 times. We will see the sum of all these, it is coming 30. And we have to find the students has a blood group AB. So you see the number of students having the blood group AB is 3 and total number of students are 30. So probability of the student has blood group AB is favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes, that is 3 upon 30. So after solving it is coming 1 upon 10. So that's all about this probability chapter. Thank you.